First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video, now we are going to solve a memory based question paper of IBPS PO prelims exam from the year 2018. So that is on the quantitative aptitude session. So friends, got it. So just see friends, when compared to all the previous year bank exam from this year, that is from the year 2018, they have started asking a new topic called the caselet. Caselet and set theory are there in a quantitative aptitude session. I have in my YouTube channel itself, I have posted 5 videos on caselet, 3 videos on set theory. From 2018 year, you can able to see 2019, 2020, in all the bank prelims exam, they have started asking a topic called caselet or else set theory. So those who are preparing for this year, that is 2021 IBPS PO prelims exam, so kindly learn that caselet topic, right? Because most important, from the year 2018, 2019 also they have asked a caselet question for 5 mark. 2020 also they have asked a caselet question for 5 mark. But not only for PO exam, they have asked this caselet topic for even for IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, SBI PO, all the exams. So that's the reason I am saying, if you are preparing for this upcoming, that is 2021 IBPS PO exam, so learn the caselet topic. Got it? Caselet is very easy, right? You have to read the passage and you have to frame a own tabular column, and then based upon the tabular column, we have to solve 5 questions under that. Got it? It's very simple. So I think here also we are going to solve the caselet question in this area. So when you look at this syllabus, so they have asked 5 questions from caselet, and they have asked 2 data interpretation, that is 5, 5, 10 question, and then 5 wrong number series. Approximation was not asked in the year 2018. So instead of that, they have asked 5 equations, and then remaining all are a miscellaneous question, right? So 2018, it's medium level, not easy, medium to art prelims exam question paper was. So now let me move on to the first data interpretation, that is line chart. Got it? So line chart gives that shows number of laborers, men and women, working in 6 different years. Okay, so they have given that line chart, which is one line is for women and the second line is for men, and for the different years the number of laborers that are working. Got it? So first question, total number of men working in 2012 and 2013 together is what percentage of? Just see what you found, the word is called what percentage. From previous 2 videos itself I have told you, right? If you are going to solve a question from DA, you have to remember 3 formula. X is what percentage of Y, X is what percentage more or less than Y, and the third formula is percentage change. So here you can able to see together is what percentage of, and the formula is what? X divided by Y into 100, right? So for finding the value of X, total number of men working in 2012 and 2013. So just look at the chart. So the value of X will be total number of men in 2012 is how much? 120. So plus 2013 total number of men will be 240. So similarly the value of Y will be labors, total labors, men and women working in the year 2014. So 2014 men and women will be 160 and 240. So if you add both these values, it's 360. So this will be 400. So substitute X by Y, which is 360. So divided by 400 into 100. Got it? So cancel 0, 0 here. So this becomes 90. So we can say that answer for this question will be 90%. Got it? Yes, we have 90% in the option. So we can say that answer for this question is 90. So second question, average number of women working in 2014, 15, 16 together is how much more or less than the average number of men working in 2011, 14, 16. We need to find how much more or less, not in the percentage. In case if they ask in a percentage, then you have to go with the formula called X minus Y divided by Y into 100. But here they didn't talk about any percentage. We have to find the average for the first case, and the second case we need to find the difference. Got it? So first let me find the average women working in 2014. So look at the chart, 2014 where the average women will be 240, right? And the 2015 is 360 and the last will be 300. So we have to find the average for 3 years. So divided by 3. Got it? So this becomes 900 by 3, which is 300. So finally we have found the average number of women given for the 3 years. Got it? So we need to find the average number of men working. So 2011 men will be 80. So 2080, right? So 2014 160 and this becomes 360. So divided by 3. So this becomes 300, 600 by 3. So 200. So you can see that women is 300, men is only 200. So what is the difference? Difference is 100. So we can say that there are 100 women more. So look at the option. Yes, first option. So we can say that answer for the question is 100. It's very simple, right? It's easy to solve. Just we have to look at the graph and we have to pick all the values. That's it. So next question. Number of men working in 2017 is 15% more than 2015. So what they are saying is number of men that are working in 2017 is 15% more from the year 2015. First look at the chart. So 2015 where the total number of men is how much? Is 300, right? So total number of men who are working in the year 2015 is 300. So from this 300 where 15% more. What is 15% of 300, which is 45? So 45 men more. So total will be 345. So 345 will be the total number of men working in the year 2017. Got it, friends? So now next point, while the number of women in 2017 is 40% less than 2014. 2014, how much women are there? 240. So out of this 240, what they are saying is 40% less. So we have to subtract 40. So here we have added, right? Why? Because we know that 15% more, but here it is 40% less. That's the reason we are subtracting the value. So we have to find the 240. 10% will be 24. So 40% will be 96. So if you subtract, the resultant will be 144, I think so. Yes, 144. So find the total number of laborers working in 2017. So we have to add both these values, right? So 489. So 489 will be the total number of laborers that are working, men and women together, in the year 2017. So friends, got it. So most of the students will make a mistake here. They usually add 96. So do not do that. So in the question itself, they have told that 15% increase more, right? Here 40% less. That's the reason we have subtracted here and we have added here. Got it? So the answer is 489. Yes, option number C, we have an answer, that is 489. So next question. So find the ratio between the total number of laborers working in 2012 and 2013 together to the number of laborers working in 2015. I think that we need to find the ratio. That is for the total laborers, not only for men or women. We need to find the total laborers working. So what we can do here is 2012. So 2012, look at the chart. So men and women will be 120 plus 180. Got it? So plus, and 2013, so 120 and 240. So ratio, so to the total laborers working in 2015, so which is 300 plus 360. So again in 2016, again 300 plus 360. Got it? We are finding the total laborers working. Got it? So if you add this, be 660, and when you, this will be like 300, 360, 660. So 660 into 2 will be 1320. So 1320, I think we can cancel this on 2 table, 1:2 ratio. Yes, we have a second option, that is 1:2. So answer for this question will be 1:2. Got it? So very simple. You know, you in the exams you don't want to write all these steps, right? It is not required. If you practice more by just seeing the computer, try to find the answer. 120 plus 180 will be 300, right? You just try to write values directly. So if you write all these steps in the exams, it's time waste completely. Got it? So next question, that is last question. Total number of men working in all 6 years is how much more or less than the total number of women working in all the 6 years? We have to find the total number of men working, total number of women working. So how much more or less? Just see if we are like strong in addition by just seeing the chart, directly try to add the values, or else write all the numbers by seeing in a paper, by just seeing a computer, and then do the sum, right? But most probably don't waste your time. So try to practice more number of questions in this DA. Try to like adding all the values by just seeing the computer. So that will improve your time. Got it? So first is what? 80. So 80, 120, which is 200, 240, 440. So 160, 300, 360, which is 1260. Got it? So next will be 260, 180, 3, 400, 520, 240, 390. So 360, 360, 660, 1460. Got it? So I have just add all the values by just seeing the chart. In case if you can't able to do that, just write all the values, right? 80, 120, 240, 160, 300 and 360. So if you add this stuff, you will get the same answer. Got it? So now we need to find the difference. So men is 1260, women is 1460. Then what is the difference here? Difference will be 200. The 200 less when compared to women, where men will be 200 less. So which is the answer for the last question? Yes, we have in the option number E. Got it, friends? Totally 5 data interpretation that is based on a line chart is very simple. You can able to crack this question within 4 or 3 minutes, all the 5 questions, because not a huge formula, huge multiplication, nothing here. Just you have to look at the chart and you should be fast in the addition. That's it. So now entering into the second data interpretation question. So it's like a medium level question, not easy level, because the previous line chart was little bit easy. But this question is, I won't say it's easy, but if you understand that the chart concept, then solving all the 5 questions will be little bit easy. Got it? So what they are saying is, given in the bar graph, so in the bar graph there are totally 3 stores, and each store they are selling a plain books as well as 9 books. And when you look at the table chart here, so store A total number of books sold was 20%. Got it, friends? So let me take first. So if you take that store A, where store A total number of plain book produced will be in terms of 100, which is 2000, and the line book will be 1500. So out of the total, according to the table chart, only 20% of the books are sold. If 20% books are sold, then remaining 80% will be unsold. Got it? So now the sold percentage, that is 20% for store A, it's common for the total number of books that was produced by store A. Understood? So based upon this chart, we need to solve all the 5 questions under this passage. Very interesting to solve it. First question. So the number of plain books sold by A and B was 30% and 40% respectively. Just see the number of plain books sold. So only the plain books that are sold by store A and store B is 30% and 40% respectively. Then find the number of lined books sold by A and B together is what percentage of total book available from store A. The question that is based on X is what percentage of Y. The formula will be X divided by Y into 100. So the value of Y will be the total number of books available on store A. Finding that value is easy, because if you add both the values, resultant will be the total. But the numerator value, that is X here, we need to find the lined books sold by store A and store B. So first what I can do here is, first let me take store A. We can solve this question little bit slowly. Just see, let me take this store A. Store A, how much total books are produced? You can see that store A plain books will be 20 into 100, which is 200. So lined books will be 15. So 15, all the values are in 100, right? So 15 into 100 will be 1500. So 2000, 1500 be 3500. So 3500 is what total number of books that was produced from store A. Out of this total number of books, how much percentage of books are sold? 20%, right? First let me find what is 20%, which is 20 by 100 is 700. So when just listen carefully, what is this 700 here? So 700 will be the total number of books that was sold. So now according to the chart, according to the second line, what they said is the number of plain books sold by A and B is 30%, 40%. So store A, 30% of plain books are sold. So when you look at the chart, plain books are how much? 2000. Out of this 2000, right? Out of this 2000, 30% of the plain books are sold. So 30 by 100, if you cancel 0 here, which becomes 600. So 600 is what? 600 will be plain books. Got it? 700 is what we found will be the total books sold. So out of this total books sold, 600 will be the plain books. If you subtract both the value, resultant will be the lined books, which is 100. So friends, this will be, 100 lion books will be from store A. So friends, understood? how I solve this. If you, so friends, try to understand this, how I have wrote this. If you can able to understand it, then solving all the questions will be very easy. Just see, initially from store A, I have just found how many total books are produced, 3500. Out of this 3500, according to the table chart, 20% of the books are sold. So finally we have found out of this 3500, 700 will be the total number of books sold, but our target is to find only the lion books how much sold. So from the total I am subtracting the plain books. So for finding the plain book, according to that bar chart, from the 2000, and the value given in the question is 30%. So 30% of the plain books are sold. So out of 2000 I have subtracted what is 30%, 600. So 700 minus 600, resultant will be 100. So finally we have found the total number of lion books that are sold by store A is 100. So similarly we have to find for store B. Just see store B where 30 and 20. So 33,000, 2000 will be 5,000. So out of this 5,000, according to the table chart, where store B 40% of books are sold. So which is 2000. So 2000 books are sold. So now from the question, the plain books are 40%. So look at the chart. So store B, plain books are how much? 3000. So in this 3000, 40% were sold. So 40 by 100. So if you find, the resultant will be 1200. So 1200 will be the plain books that are sold from store B, and 2000 will be the total books that are sold. So when you subtract 2000 and 1200, resultant will be 800. Got it? So 800 is what? So 800 will be the total number of books, that is lined books. Got it? Yes, lined books. So total number of lined books that are sold. So now we need to add and we need to find what percentage. Just see. So find the number of lined books from store A, store B together. Already we know that store A is 100. Now store B is 800. So add both the values, which is 900. So this will be the total. So X is what percentage? 900. Got it. So 900. So divided by, so total books from store A, 2000 and 1500, which is 3500 into 100. So cancel 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So this becomes 2 times 25 times, approximately we can say that answer for this question is 25. Yes, we have an option, that is only one option, that is option number C, in the range of 25 point something. So we can say that answer for this question, that is option C, 25. Just see how interesting it is. It's again not an easy question, medium level to hard level question, but if you understand the concept, then this part will be very simple. So got it. So okay, if you can't able to understand it, at least learn from watching all these videos. So next question, friends. Next question, what they said is, so average of total books sold by B and C together is how much more than the unsold books of store A. So we need to compare, right? So average total books sold by store B and C together. First let me find the average sold. So store B, look at the chart. So plain books and line books total will be how much? 5000. So out of this 5000, when you look at the table chart, how much percentage of books are sold? 40%. So 40% books are sold, which is 2000. So 2000 will be the total number of books that was sold from store B. So similarly we can find for store C. So store C, according to the bar chart, so plain note and the line note, which is total, will be 4500. So when you look at the table chart, so what is the total percentage of books sold? That is 30%. So 30% of the books sold, which is 1350. So if you add these two values, 3350. So 3350 is what? So total number of books that was sold from the store B and store C together. But our target is to find the average. Got it? So which is, we need to divide this by 2. So 167475. So 1675 will be the average of books that was, total books that was sold by the store B and store C together. So now we need to more or less unsold books of store A. Just see, we know the total number of books according to the bar chart. Total number of books that was sold by store A is how much? 3500. So when you look at the table chart, 20% of the books are sold. If 20% sold, then 80% will be unsold. Got it? So if you cancel this 80%, 0, 0, 0 here, so 0, 8 5 is 44, 2800. So 2800 will be the total number of unsold book that is from store A. So now we need to compare it. So when you compare, this becomes 1125. So 1125 will be the difference. Got it? So this will be the answer for the second question. They have asked how much more. So here 1675 2800, so 1125 books more. Got it? So interesting question, but you need to practice more. Got it? So next question is, so ratio of sold plain and lined books of store C will be 5:4. So 5:4 is what? So total number, this will be plain books ratio and this will be lined books ratio that was sold from store C. And for store B is also given. So store B is how much? 3:2. So similarly this will be plain book and this will be lined book. Got it? Then find the total number of plain books sold by these two stores together. So we need to find what is the total number of plain books sold. That is a ratio 5 and ratio 3. So we need to find only the total number of plain books sold. Just see here, let me take store C. So store C, total number of books are how much produced will be 4500. Got it? Out of this 4500, when you look at the chart, table chart, how much books are sold? 30%, which is 30 by 100. So out of the total books sold, our target is to find only the plain books. So plain books are in what ratio? 5. So 5 divided by the total ratio 9. Got it? So now we can cancel it. We can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So 1 9s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So 150 into 5, I think so, as 0, 25 to 750. So 750 is what? 750 will be the total number of plain books that are sold. So similarly, let me target the second store, that is store B. So store B is how much? Total number of books is how much? 5000. So out of this 5000, where 40% of the books are sold, so 40 by 100. So out of total books, our target is to find only the plain books. So plain books are in a ratio 3, so divided by the total, that is 5. Got it? So I think we can cancel 0, 0 here. So this becomes 10 times. So this becomes 1200. So 1200 will be the total number of plain books that was sold by the store B. And store C we have found, which is 750. So we need to add all the values, that is 1950. So 1950 will be the total number of books that was sold by plain books that was sold by store C and store B. Got it, friends? You need to know how to write this stuff, right? So total number of books produced, total number of books sold, out of that where plain books sold ratio. So if we found that, resultant answer will be the total number of plain books that we got, right? Okay. So I think this will be the next question. Fourth question. So unsold book of A is approximately what percentage more or less than the unsold book of B and C together? So we have to find the unsold book of A. I think we have already found in the previous question itself, right? Okay, let me find again. See, unsold book of A. So store A, how much books have been produced? So 3500. So 3500 will be the total number of books produced. Out of this, where 20% of the books are sold, then remaining 80 is what? 80% of the books will be unsold. So if you find the answer, I think 0. So this becomes 8 5s are 44. So 24, 28. So 2800. So 2800 will be the total number of unsold book from the store A. Is approximately what percent more or less from store B and store C together? So similarly, we have to find for store B and store C. So store B, where you can see that 40% of the books has been 3000. So remaining will be store C, right? Store C total number of books is 4500. So out of 4500, where 30%, we need to find the unsold. Got it? Yes, unsold will be 70%. So this will be like 3000. So 3000 and 3150, 6150. So we can say that 6150. Yes, 6150 will be the total number of unsold books that is from the store B as well as C. Got it? So now we need to find X is what percentage more or less than Y. Then what is the formula here? So 6150 minus of this value 2800. So we need to compare 6150 into 100. Got it? So we can cancel 00 here. So cancel it on 2 table, or else this becomes 23. So 3 2s are 6, 14, 0 0 here. So 280, 90, 54 percentage. So we can say that answer for this question is 54 percentage, right? So the thing here is you need to be little bit careful while writing this value, because most of the students will wrongly write this as 6150 minus 2800 divided by 2800. Don't do that. Just look at the question carefully. X is what percentage more or less than the total number of unsold books of B and C together. We have to compare A with B and C. So the comparison value should always write in the denominator. Got it? Always remember that what you are going to compare. So that comparison value should be written in the denominator. So you can see that 6150 is the comparison value. That's the reason I have written in the denominator. Most of the students will write 2800 in the denominator. Don't do that, it is wrong actually. Got it? So this will be the answer for the fourth question. And the last fifth question. So selling price of each plain books and the lion books of store B is 250 and 175. Each book sold, right? What they are saying is the plain books, right? So plain book, that is each plain book cost is how much? 250. So similarly the lion book and each book cost is how much? 175. So now then find the total amount of books earned by store B by selling these books. 60% of the lion books are sold by the store. Okay, so what they are saying is okay, so we need to find what is the lined books, right? As total earned by store B on selling these books, 60% of or sold. Okay, so they are saying that from store B where 60% are lined books. So first what we can do here is store B, how much books are totally produced? 5000. So out of this 5000, total number of books sold is how much? 40%, which is 2000. So 2000 will be the total number of books that was sold. So out of this 2000, where 60% of the books are how much? Lined books. So 2000, just listen here, out of this 2000, 60% of books are lined. So when you cancel 0 0 here, which is 1200. Just listen carefully, 1200 is what? Lined books. So from the total 2000, if you subtract this 1200, the resultant will be 800. Then 800 will be the plain books. So we have found store B, that is 800 will be the plain books and 1200 will be the lined books. So our target is to find what is the total cost. So which is like 800 plain books, and each plain books has been sold for 250 rupees. So this into 250, so plus 1200 will be lined books. So out of this lined books, where each lined book was sold for 175. So 175 here. So we need to multiply and we need to find the answer. Got it? So I think we can take 2 zeros common here, 2020 here, so 20, and similarly this becomes, so 0 8 5 of 44, 16, so 93, so this becomes 5 2s are 10, 1, 79, 60, so approximately 4 lakh 10,000, so 4.1 lakh, so we can take it as 4.1 lakh, right? So look at the options, all the values are in lakh. So we can say that option number E, where 4.1 lakh will be your answer. Got it? So you need to be little bit fast in the addition. So if you fast in the addition, then solving will be easy. Got it? So that's it, friends. So totally we have solved 5 questions, that is from the second data interpretation. Again, it is not an easy level, it's medium to hard level, but if you know the concept, how to find the percentage, ratio, how to find the unsold book and additions fastly, then solving this question is also easy for you. But definitely it might take you like 6 to 7 minutes to solve this 5 question. Will be the number series, right? So they have asked, after this 2 data interpretation, so they have asked 5 question that is from the wrong number series. Got it? So we have to find which of the number is wrong in the given series. Got it? So first question is 4 5.1. So what they have given is 4 5.1, 7.3, so 10.6, 15, 20, 27.1. Got it? So first is 4, second is 5.1. So just here, friends, the starting number is 4. Got it, right? So on the ending number is 27.1. So there is not a huge difference. So first number is 4 and the seventh number is 27.1. So definitely multiplication is not used here. And also according to me, subtraction is also not used here, because all the numbers are gradually increasing and some of the values are in a decimal point. So what I can think here is, from this series, addition is a main operator that is used here. That too, they have added with some decimal values. So let me check, right? So 4 and 5.1, 5.1, 7.2. I think it is like, let me add 1.1, right? From 4, if you add 1.1, it will be 5.1. So from 5.1, if you add 2.2, right, it becomes 7.3. Yes, I found the logic, right? 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, 4.4, 5.5, it goes on. So let me add 5.1 plus 2.2, 7.3. So 7.3 plus 3.3, 10.6. So 10.6 plus 4.4 will be 15. So 15 plus 5.5. So when you add 15 plus 5.5, resultant will be 20.5. But here the series is only 20. So we can say that this 20, the number 20 is wrong in the given series. So it's understood. It's easy. Answer should be 20.5 there, but they have given 20. So second question. So 2, 3. So 2, 3, 8, 31, 154, 9, 24, 6460. So when just see here, the starting number is 2, right? And the ending number is how much? 6460. Definitely multiplication is the main operator they have used. Got it? So main operator should be multiplication, then they can use addition, subtraction, anything, but the main operator I think they have used will be multiplication. So only then it starts from 2 ending with 6000, they have added with some number. So initially we have found that. Second, so 2, 3, 8, 31. So 2, 3, 8, 31. So first let me take the first number and second number, 2 and 3. We know that they have used multiplication here. So what I can do here is, I can multiply into 2. Into 2 is what? 4. Minus 1. I'm just checking the chances, right? So 2 minus 1 will be 3. So what I can do here is 3 into 3 will be 9, right? So 9 minus 1 will be 8. I think I found the logic, right? So just see, 8 into 4, 32. 32 minus 1 will be 31. Understood or not? So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 into 3 will be 9. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. So next will be 8 into 4 will be 32. So 32 minus 1 will be 31. So similarly I think it goes on. 31 into 5 minus 1 into 6 minus 1. So into 7 minus 1. So 31 into 5 minus 1. Yes, 154 is correct. So 154 into 6 minus 1. 24. I think they have missed a subtraction, I think so. When you multiply this, it becomes 923, but they have given a number as 924. Actually it should be 923. They missed by subtracting 1 here. So I think the wrong number in the given series will be 924. Got it? Got the logic? So they have done like into 2 minus 1, into 3 minus 1, into 4 minus 1, into 5 minus 1 in this pattern. So like that, where 924 is the wrong number. Got it? So next question. It requires more practice, right? So it requires more practice, and also only if you solve without it, it does not have any shortcut. Many times I have told you, number series does not have any shortcut. You have to practice more. So friends, next question is 251, 252, 254, 227, so 243, 118, 154. 251, 252, 254, 227, 243, 118, 154. So when just see here, by just seeing the series, 99% I can say this will be wrong. This will be the wrong number. Why? Because the alternate numbers are increasing and the remaining alternate numbers are getting decreasing. Just see here, 154, right? So when you take this number 254, again it has been decreased and then increased and then decreased and then increased. So from here the number should be decreased, right, and then it should be increased. But here 251, here it is 252. So something wrong here. So we can say that this second number is a wrong number in the given series. But I can say only 99%. Without finding the logic, you can't able to say like that. But most probably I can say that 99% that can be the answer. Now let me try to find the answer. Got it? So 251. 251, 252. So this can be like minus 2 square, 3 cube, 33, no 34, 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 27, 5, 27. I think I can find this as they have done minus 3 cube. Then this must be, so plus 4 square, this must be 4 square. So they are going in a pattern, I think so, minus 3 cube, 4 square, minus 4 cube, 5 square, etc. So when you look at this, this will be the answer, right? I don't know whether what is the logic behind this, but if you can able to find the logic, kindly post the answer in the comment section. But I think they are going in a logic called minus 1 cube, then 2 square, then minus 3 cube, then 4 square. So alternate numbers are subtraction, cube values, and the second alternate numbers are addition, that is square values. I think so this is the pattern, but I don't know exactly. But if you got the answer, kindly comment in the comment section. Got it? So next question, that is 141. So 141, 156, 147, 162, 153, so 165, 159. So just see here friends, again this pattern is also increasing decreasing pattern. So 141 increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So this is the pattern they have given. So let me try to find how they have followed this pattern. For 141, 146. So definitely you can able to see here the starting number is 149 and the ending number is what, 159. So definitely, you know, multiplication is not used here. According to me, the major, right, the major operator that I have used would be addition and subtraction, right? This must be the major operator they have used here. So 141, 156. So 141, 156, this will be like 156. They have done addition here. So addition, this must be 15. So 15 addition minus 9 subtraction. 15 addition minus 9 subtraction. So 15 addition 165 is wrong. So it's understood or not, right? You can see that first two numbers they have added 15. Second two numbers they have subtracted 9. This pattern repeatedly goes on, 15, 9, 15, 9. Actually this should not be 165. This should be 168. Right, 168 should be the answer, but they have given us 165, so we can say that 165 will be the wrong number. Got it? So interesting. So we have solved 4 questions. Next question is, so next question is 2, 6, 10, 19, 36, 69 and 134. Okay, so we have to find this. So starting from 3, right, so ending at 134. So definitely there is not a huge difference. We can't able to find, but they could have used multiplication also, addition also, subtraction also. Anything can be used here. But we have to 2, 10, 2, 6, 10, 19, 36, 69 and 34. So first number is 2 and the ending number is 134. Just see the difference here, 16, 9, 6, 10. So what is the difference? 4 is the difference, 4 is the difference, 9, 65 is the difference, then this becomes 33 is the difference. So 19, I think they gone some pattern like so 17, 13, 65. Can you able to find the answer, right? So 35, 32. Let me find the difference of difference, right? So this will be 32, this will be 16, this will be 8. So friends, just see here, I think I have found the logic, right? Difference of difference. So difference of difference, it is 32, 16, 8, 2 table, right? This, so this becomes 5. Actually this should be 4, right? So this will be the wrong answer, I think so. So I can say that if I should get a difference as 4 here, then this must be 5, right? Only then I can get a difference of 4. So if this is 5, then 6 will be the wrong number. So we can say that the wrong number of the given series will be 6. Friends, got it? So interesting, I found the difference of difference. So difference of difference starting from 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. So this difference should not be 4. Only if we get 5, then the answer will be correct. So if I need to get 5, then this should not be 6, this should be like a 5 or something. So I can say that the second number is wrong actually. Got it? So last question. So 0.5. So 0.5 2 1 4 32 5 12 16384. Just see, the starting number is 0.5, ending number is how much? 16,384. So definitely they have used the major operator, that is multiplication, right? So I think it must be like a 4 8 1 4 32 5 12. Just see the series 1 4 32 5 12. Easy to find. What they have done? 1 into 4, 4 into 8, 32 into 16. So they have used this pattern. Then definitely we can say that this must be 0.5 into 1, 0.5. I think so. This will be wrong actually. Got the logic or not, right? So 0.5 into 1 they have given as 2, but actually it should be 0.5. So only then 0.5 into 2, that becomes 1. Got it? So this 2 is wrong actually. So we can say that the number 2 will be wrong. So they are going in a pattern called 0.5 into 1 into 2 into 4 into 8 16, it goes on. But here initially the first number is 0.5. If you multiply that 0.5 into 1, the second number should also be 0.5. But here the second number is 2. So we can say that this will be wrong, right? So how many questions they have asked from 1 2 and 3 4 5 6. They have asked the 6 question from wrong number series. Out of 6, I feel like only 1 is difficult to find, but all the remaining 5 are easy. So now the next will be a caselet question. Just now I have told you in the starting of this video. So these types of question, that is giving a passage, under that there will be 5 to 6 question. So these types of questions can be solved in many different ways, like set theory by just drawing 3 circles, or else by framing a tabular column, or else without a tabular column by just denoting all the values and then start solving this 5 question. Got it? There are many different ways to solve this question. But from this year 2018 till the 2020, previous year 2020, they have asked this caselet in every prelims exam. Again, not only in the PO exam, they have asked this question for SBI clerk, SBI PO, IBPS clerk also. So if you are preparing for this 2021 also, try to learn this caselet topic and solve many questions from this caselet and set theory. Got it? So first question. So they have given a passage here. There are 450 coupons which can be used for pedicure and hair cutting. So ratio between males to females who use their coupons and hair cutting is 13:7. So what they are saying is total number of coupon is how much? 450. So out of this 450 coupon, that is for both, which is hair cutting as well as pedicure. So total number of coupons that is planned will be 450. And out of this 450 coupons, where male and female who uses their coupon for hair cutting will be 13:7. So we can say that hair cutting ratio, right? So hair cutting male will be 13x and the female will be how much? 7x. Got it? So this much token has been got by male and female for hair cutting. So next point, number of males who uses their coupon in pedicure is 72 more than the number of females who use their coupon in hair cutting. Just see number of males who use for, so let me take, right, males pedicure. So pedicure is how much when compared to females of hair cutting? Female of hair cutting is how much? 7x. So 7x plus how much more they are saying? 72 more. So 7x plus 72 will be the total number of males coupon that was given for the male, that is for pedicure. Got it? So now next point is total number of males who use the coupon in pedicure hair cutting together is 174 more than total number of females who use their coupon in pedicure and hair cutting together. Okay. So when just see here, from this point we can note down one thing. Just listen carefully. We know that total number of coupon is how much? 450. Out of this 450, we know that male coupon for hair cutting is 13x. Female coupon is how much? 7x. As well as we know male pedicure is how much? 7x plus 72. By using all these three values, if you add these two values plus this value and subtract with 420, that is 450, the resultant answer will be female pedicure. Yes or no? Just see. So 450 is total. So out of this total 450, if you add hair cutting, that is male 13x, hair cutting female 7x, plus male pedicure, that is 7x plus 72. So if you add all these values, got it, if you add all these values and subtract with the 450, if you subtract with 450, then the resultant answer will be the female pedicure. Got it? So let me subtract all these values. So 7x, 7x, 14x, so 14 plus 13 will be 27x. I think 27x, okay, 27x, and 450 and minus of 72. So 450 minus 72, 378. Okay, 378. So 450, so 450, 72 will be 378, right? So 378 minus 27x. So this will be the female pedicure. So friends, got it how I wrote this. Just see here, the total number of token that has been given is 450. So out of 450 minus of all these values, because from the total, if you subtract the male hair cutting, then female hair cutting, and minus of male pedicure, the resultant answer will be female pedicure. So 450 minus of all these values, resultant will be 378 minus 27x. So 378 minus 27x, resultant will be the female pedicure. So finally we have found male hair cutting will be 13x, female will be 7x hair cutting value, and pedicure will be 7x and 72 for male, and 378 minus 27x for female. And according to the last point, what they have given is the male is 174 more than the female. So hair cutting of male plus pedicure of male total is 174 more than the female hair cutting plus female pedicure, which means the difference, right? So male difference female will be how much more? 174. So now male, right? So male is how much? What we found initially is 7x. So you can see that 13x for male. So 13x, so plus male pedicure will be 7x plus 72. So this is for completely for male, minus of female. So female is how much? 7x here. So 7x minus of, so here will be 378, right? So 378 minus 27x is equals to 174. So friends, understood how I wrote it? So total male hair cutting, this will be male hair cutting, male pedicure. Subtraction, that is a difference, right? So female hair cutting and female pedicure, the total will be 174. So now we need to find it. So 20x, so this will be 20x, and this will be minus of 20x. So 20x minus of minus 20x will be 40x. So this becomes 40x. So 40x is equal to, so this will be 72 minus 30 will be 174. This will be like 480. So 480. So x is equal to 12. So finally we got the value, that is x is equal to 12. If you got the value of x is equal to 12, then how much male female hair cutting, then how much male pedicure and female pedicure, everything is easy, because just substituting a value, yes or no? We know that male is how much hair cutting is 13x, right? So just we can move on to the next page. Just see, male is how much? 13x. Female is how much? 7x. We know that value of x is how much? 12. Just now we have found. So we can say that 13 into 12 will be 156. 156 will be the total number of male, that is hair cutting. Similarly for female, 7x. So 7 into 12 equals to 84. So 84 will be, this complete data is for what? Hair cutting. And similarly for the pedicure. So we know that pedicure is for male is how much? Male, just now we have found is 7x plus 72. We know that x is equal to 12. So 7x plus 72, where male will be 156. Female, so 378 minus 27, this will be 54. So this value is for pedicure. This for hair cutting. That's it. Right? So this is the way in the exams you have to initially solve that passage, and then you have to solve all the 5 questions under that passage. That will be very simple, right? So male hair cutting is 156, female hair cutting is 84, and the male pedicure is 156, and the female pedicure will be 54. So based upon the value, we can solve all these 5 questions that is under the passage. Got it? So first question, male who use their coupon in pedicure is what percentage of male who use their coupon in haircut? Just see, male use, it's based on is what percentage, that is x divided by y into 100. So this case, right? So value of x will be male for pedicure. So male for pedicure is how much? 156 divided by Male who use their coupon for hair cutting. So male hair cutting is how much? Again 156 into 100. So if you cancel it, it's 100%. So answer for the question is 100%, right? So second question, easy. That's what I'm saying. If you solve that passage and find all these values, right? If you find all these values, then solving all the under that passage, all the 5 questions will be very simple. Only you have to spend time for finding this initial value. Right? This initial value might take time, but once you found this, then solving all the questions will be very, very simple. So second question. So find the ratio between the total number of who use their coupon in pedicure to the total number of person who use their coupon in hair cutting. So they are asking a total, right? So total number of person who use their coupon for pedicure. What is the total? 156 plus 54. So resultant will be 210. So 210 will be the total pedicure. And the total hair cutting according to the value 156 plus 84, which is 240. So we can say that this becomes 700, cancel it, 7:8. We can say that answer for the question is 7:8. Got it? So next question. So female who use their coupon in hair cutting is how much more? So just see according to the value what we got. Female 84 is for hair cutting, and female for pedicure is how much? 54. So 84, 54. They are asking how much more or less, which means the difference. So difference is how much? 30. So we can say that answer for this question is 30. Got it? So next question. Out of males who use their coupon in hair cutting, 25% belongs to city A. Then the male who use their coupon hair cutting, which does not belongs to city A. Just see, out of the males who use their coupon in hair cutting, where 25% belong to city A. Our target is to find how much a person who is not belongs to city A. Then if 25% or belongs to belongs to city A, then remaining 75% will not be belongs to city A. Got it? So now we know that total number of males of hair cutting is how much? 156. So out of this 156, 25% belongs to city A. Our target is to find who does not belongs to city A. Then remaining 75% who does not belongs to city A. Got it? So if you cancel it, this becomes 117. So we can say that 100, because if you cancel it on 25 table, so 3 times 4 times, so cancel it on 3 twos are 12, then remaining will be like 3, 36, 9 fours are 36, 27 to 1117. So we can say that 117 will be the answer for this question. Got it? So very easy and simple to solve. Again, totally they have asked 5 questions, 3, 4, 5 questions. Another question is there? Yes. Let me check it. Is there another question? Yes, another question is also there. So what is the next question? So find the ratio of males who use the pedicure to that spa is 4:5. Who they use their pedicure to that of spa. What they are saying is ratio of males who use their coupon in pedicure to that of spa, right? So pedicure and spa ratio is how much? 4:5. While the females are in a ratio is how much? 6:11. So find the total number of people who use their coupon in spa. We already know that 4:5 is the ratio for pedicure and spa, right? So male pedicure is how much? According to the chart, male pedicure is how much? 156. So 156, our target is to find the spa, right? Spa is in the ratio what? 5. So divided by this ratio will be 4. So if you find the value, resultant will be male spa. So similarly, according to the female with female hair cutting, okay. So female hair cutting is how much? 84. So out of this 84, where 11 is spa and 6 for hair cutting, so we can say that 11 divided by 6. So find both the answers, and then our target is to find the total number of people. So if you add both these values, then the resultant will be the total, right? So that's it. All the 5 questions are very simple and easy. So only thing is you should know what is called as Caselet and how to solve this question. Again, if you are preparing for from the year 2021, I am saying, if you are preparing for this IBPS PO exam or else upcoming any bank prelims exam, kindly learn Caselet as well as set theory. So finally we have solved the data interpretation, number series and Caselet question. So now entering into the last part, that is miscellaneous question, right? So miscellaneous question always in the prelims exam. So target some of the easiest topics to solve, so that question will be most probably easy. Got it? So ratio of present age, so it is based on problems on ages. So ratio of present age of A and B is 16:7. after 12 years A's age is twice that of B's age, then find the present age of A and B. Just very simple, where A's ratio will be 16x, similarly B's age ratio will be 7x after 12 years. So plus 12 and plus 12, right? So after 12 years, where age is twice of B. So if B is 1, then A will be 2. That's it. If you cross multiply it and if you find the value of x, then finding the present age of A and B will be very easy, right? So this can be written as 16x plus 12 is equals to 14x plus 24. Got it? So 16x, 14x will be 2x. So this will be 24 will be 12x. So x is equal to, I think, 24. This will be 12. So this will be like 6. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 6. So substitute 6 here. We already know that A's age will be 16x and this will be 7x. So substitute here. So 16 into 6, 36. So 96. So 96 will be A's present age. So look at the option number D. We have 96 and 42 years. So we can say that answer for this question will be option D, that is 96 years and 42 years. Got it? Very simple, you know. If you learn some of the miscellaneous topics like problems on ages, time and work, partnership, simple interest, compound interest. So all these topics, if you are strong on the basics, then solving 5 to 6 questions in this miscellaneous questions in the exams will be very much easy. Got it? So next question. A man invested a certain sum in a scheme of a 15% per annum for 2 years and earned 1950 as simple interest. He increased his sum by rupees X and invested another scheme B at 10% per annum compound interest for 2 years and received 1680 as compound interest. To find the value of X. So the concept here is, initially man has some money and invested in simple interest, that is 15% per annum for 2 years. So after 2 years he got an interest 1950. And then he increased his money investment for scheme B in the rate of compound interest, and then he got the interest as 1680. So our target is to find how much money has been increased from the sum. So what I can do here is easy technique. Just see investment. Initial investment we don't know. Let me keep the initial investment of the man as X. So now his investment percentage is how much? 15% per annum. Then 15 for 2 years, 15 will be 30%. So 30% will be the total interest, and that interest amount is how much? 1950. Then we can find what is the investment. 100% is equal to X. Just cross multiply it, cancel percentage and percentage. So X is equal to 1950 into 100, so divided by 30. So this becomes 65. So X is equal to 6500. So finally we got in the first scheme the man investment will be 6500. Similarly, let me find the second scheme, that is investment as X. But this investment that is based on a compound interest. How many years? 10% per annum. For how many years? 2 years. Then how will you find the total percentage? A plus B plus AB by 100. We have learnt all these steps, right? So A will be 10, B will be 10, AB will be 10 into 10, 100 by 100, 1. So the total will be 21%. So for 2 years, the compound interest will be 21%, and he received an interest how much? 1680. So now we need to find what is the total investment in scheme B, that is 100% equal to X. So X is equal to, we can cancel this, becomes 8 times, so 8000. Just see, in scheme A his investment is 6500. In scheme B his investment is 8000. Our target is to find how much sum has been increased. From scheme A, how much he increased? 1500 rupees increased in scheme B. So we can say that the answer for this question is 1500. So next question is, that is based on, in a class there are 30 girls and 15 boys total average. So it is based on an average question. So what they are saying is average of 47 kg. So totally there are 30 girls and 15 boys, and the total average of the average weight of the class is 40 in a mixed fraction, right? So 47, 7 by 15. It's become the average weight of the total classroom. So our target is to find the average weight of the girls. See, total average weight has been given and the average weight of the boys has been given. So now what is the target? Our target is to find average weight of the girls. It's very simple, you know. This is the total average of both boys and girls. Let me find the total weight of the classroom, right? Because it's an average. This value is average. So now we are going to find the total weight of the class. Just see, in a class 30 girls plus how many boys are there? 15 boys. So 30 girls plus 15 boys into their average weight, the resultant will be the total weight of the classroom. So this can be written as 47 plus 7 by 15, so into 45. So we can cancel, this becomes 3 times. So when you multiply this, 47 into 15, so plus 7 into 3, got it? So this becomes 713, 1326. Okay, so 712, right? So 712 plus 7 into 3. So this becomes 789. So 712 into 3 will be like 6321, 2136. So we can say that 2136 will be the total strength. Can you able to understand how I solve this? Just see here. 47 7 by 15 can be written as 47 plus 7 by 15. We have to take LCM as 15 here. So we can multiply 47 into 15 LCM. After taking LCM, 47 into 15 and taking plus 7 as it is. Right? So here we already have 45 here. If you take LCM as 15, we can cancel 45 3 times. So only I have written 3 here. So after multiplying and adding with 7, I am getting 712. So into 3 will be 2136. So 2136 will be the total strength of the total weight of boys as well as girls. So 2136. So now we know that according to the second point, where the total average weight of the boys is 58. So 58, total number of boys is 15. So 58 into 15 will be 870. So subtract 870. Got it? So divided by, our target is to find the approximate average weight. So approximate average weight of the girls. How many girls are there? 30 girls are there. So if you subtract it, you will get the answer on that too. We have to find an approximate answer. So when you subtract this, this becomes 1266 divided by 60 divided by 30, 60 divided by 30, which is approximately 42. So 4200, 2 times will be 60, approximately 42. We can say that answer for this average question, approximate answer is 42. Right? Just see, it's very easy to solve, right? So next question. Ram bought a bike at 20% discount on MRP. So after first year, Ram sells a bike to Ramesh at 10% loss. After 1 year, Ramesh sells the bike to 20% profit to Ranjan. So if Ranjan paid 1,29,600, then find the MRP of the bike. So friends, just listen here. So first, initially the Ram bought the bike for 20% discount from the MRP. So let me take MRP as X. From this MRP price, he got the bike for 20% discount. Then he got it for 80%. Understood or not? Now, after getting it for 80%, he sold the bike to the second person, that is Ramesh, 10% loss. So out of 100%, if 10% loss, then 90%. Got it? So into. After that, this person Ramesh sells the bike to Ranjan with a profit of how much? 20%. So this can be done as 120 by 100, right? So MRP, after moving on to the third person, first person discount, second person loss, and the third person profit, and finally the person Ranjan paid how much? 1,29,600. So now our target is to find what is the bike price MRP. Just cancel all the values, that's it. See, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, so this can be written as X is equal to 1,29,600 into 100 into 10, so divided by 8 into 9 into 12. Got it? So X is equal to, I think we need to cancel it, no other way. So if you cancel it on 4 table, this becomes 2 times 25 times. So cancel, this becomes 5 times. So now cancel it on 3 table, right? Or else cancel it on 12 table. 1 12s are 12, 0, 8, 0, 0. So now 9 times 1 9s are 9, 18, 2 0 0. So this becomes 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 will be the MRP price of the bike. Got it? This will be the answer for this question. So very simple and easy to solve. That's it. Again and again I'm saying. So targets, don't learn all the topics in quantitative aptitude. So try to learn just 5 to 10 topics. That's it. Easy topic like simple interest, compound interest, then problems on ages, time and work. So average, ratio, proportions, etc. And then search for the question in the prelims exam, you will get all those topics, then solving the question will also be simple. Got it? So next question, so A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. So we can say that this question is based on the topic called time and work. So B is 25% more efficient than A. So B worked for 6 days and left, and the remaining work was completed by C in 15 days. So when the question that is based on a time and work, but time and work, what concept it is? You can see B worked for 6 days and left the work, which means the question is concept that is based on a concept called leaving. So joining and leaving, never forget this concept. If it is a leaving or a joining, I have told you one important formula. So the numerator, total days, how much days he worked, divided by in how many days he can complete a work. So denominator will be the total capacity and numerator will be the work that was done by the person. Got it? So here you can see A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. But here B is 25% more efficient than A. So 25% will be 125% efficiency. Yes or no? When compared to A, B is 25% more efficient. If it is more efficient, then he can able to complete a piece of work in less number of days. So now B is 25% more efficient. So 25 can be taken as 125%. So now this 125% can be written as 125 by 100. So if you cancel it on 25 table, 5 by 4. So now we know that A can complete a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. And E is how much efficient? 25% more efficient, which is 5 by 4. So while writing here, so reciprocal it, which becomes, so B is equals to 16 days. Got it? So find A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. Got it? E is 5 by 4% efficient. So 25% more efficient. So 5 by 4 efficient. So while multiplying, you need to reciprocal the number, that is 4 by 5. So 20 into 4 by 5, 16 days. So now you can say that B can complete a piece of work in 16 days. So divided by 16. Got it? But B worked for only how many days? 6 days. So numerator will be 6. Got it? A formula, right? So plus divided by C, where you can see that remaining work was completed by C in how many days? 15 days. So C worked for 15 days, but we don't know how many days C alone can complete a piece of work, which is equal to X is equal to 1. That's it. For doing one work, right? So for doing a work that is 1, where total capacity that B can able to complete a work in 16 days, but he worked only for 6 days. We don't know how many days C takes to complete a work, but C did the remaining work in 15 days. Got it? So now we need to cross multiply it and we need to find the answer. Got it? So I think this can be written as, I think we can take 16x as LCM here. So this can be written as 6x, and this will be 15 into 16 is equal to 1. So 6x, so this will be 33. So 11, 14, 1, 2. So 240, right? So minus of 1 minus 240 into 16. So X is equal to 24 days. Right? So this will be the answer for this question. Look at the options here. So we have option 27, 21, 18. Yes, option number D, that is 24 days. So we can say that answer for the question is 24. Got it? So next question is, it's based on leaving concept, right? So again, this area is most important, and I have taught you this area many questions on my YouTube channel, that is based on the topic called time and work. Got it? So next question. A mixture contains wine and water is in the ratio 5:1. So wine and water ratio given, so it's based on alligation and mixture, right? So the mixture of contain wine and water is in the ratio 5:1, which means wine will be 5x part and water will be 2x. Got it? On adding 5 liter of water, the ratio of wine and water becomes 5:2. Our target is to find what is the quantity of wine in the mixture. Just see here, after adding 5 liter of water, the ratio becomes 5:2. It's very easy, right? Because we know that wine is 5x already. So now the water is x already, 5:x ratio. Sorry, 5:x ratio. So now how much water is added? 5 liter of water is added. So after adding it, it becomes ratio 5/2. That's it. Got it or not? How I wrote it? So 5x will be the wine, right? X will be the water, and now in this x water where 5 liter is added, 5 liter of water is added, so this becomes the ratio 5/2. That's it. Cross multiply and find the value of x. So this becomes 10x is equals to 5x plus 25. So 5x is equal to 25, so x is equal to 5. So now what is the target? The quantity of wine in the mixture. We know that already the mixture is in the ratio 5x is to 1x, right? Now our target is to find the wine ratio. Substitute x is equal to 5 here, which is 25 liter. So we can say that 25 liter will be the wine ratio. So friends, that's it, right, about quantitative aptitude session. We have still only one more question. I have a doubt in that only one question remaining in the miscellaneous topic, but I just have a doubt here because I'm not getting an exact answer. I'm getting an approximate answer. So only one question doubt, and all the remainings we have solved. An equation, quadratic equation, you know, I have posted many videos on quadratic equation. So I thought that we can solve that quadratic equation at the last, right? But other than that, we have solved all the questions. So according to me, it's a 2018 question paper. It's not easy level as well as not that much difficult level. It's a medium level question paper, right? So for solving it, you know, it does not require any formula or nothing like that. Only one thing is required. You need to know the basic stuff of all the topics, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for IBPS PO exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.